So we've got our target still in place for the 50 pip target. The market has moved down 45 pips. We've adjusted our stop loss to the top of the pin hammer, which would give us a 30 pip take profit level. Obviously, we could have locked this in at 40. We had a 50 pip target. We got a reasonably decent fill on the pop-up after the news into the peak formation. Sometimes you just have to let things play out and let the market continue to make lower lows and not be impatient. That's trading. Obviously, oil, gold, the indexes can move much more aggressively and faster. In this particular trade on this day in this market structure that we had set up, I took the Canadian dollar. Took a bit longer than expected, but still moving in the direction of our take profit. And we will look to, if we see a break in this low, adjust that down lower again as we get closer to the end of this trade. So could be taken out with our 30 pip take profit. If it continues to fall, we'll adjust it to tighten that up. And hopefully we're out of this soon so we can get on with our day. But there's no stress in this trade. It is what it is. We'll take what the market gives us. And we have a plan. We manage the trade and we try to squeeze the maximum amount out of the trade by allowing it to do what it's supposed to do. If it behaves differently, we're either stopped out or we cut the trade, and it continued to make lower lows, and so we've let it play out. It's the beginning of a new hour, so this could be the end of us being taken out with 30 pips, or this market may be trapping some counter trend longs at the beginning of the hour underneath of 50 for at least a 25 pip collapse into counter trend traders. We'll wait and see. We don't have a break in structure yet, so if I'm stopped out, that could be the first break in structure. Again, we'll just let this trade play out now. We've locked in 30 pips, and we'll allow this to either take us out with 30 or hit our 50 pip target. Sometimes these are moves that will shake traders out of winning trades. And that's why you have to just have strong conviction with a plan beforehand, and either just exit the trade at some point if you felt you've been in it in terms of its timing cycle, or if this market is just trapping people in the wrong direction and you're convinced or confident that the trade will continue to move in one direction towards your profit. In this particular case, because of yesterday's large move, I do feel that they would go down at least 25 pips into the traders that were long in London, and also thus going back after money in the traders that were long from the U.S. session on Tuesday's breakout trade after CPI. So again, we'll just let this play out. I am going to lower my stop down now to 50. Just under 50. So we're trapping this. Hopefully that's about 35 pips roughly. So we're either going to be out with 35, which is okay. I'll take that. Obviously longer than expected, but if this trade does break down here in the next couple minutes, we're 7 minutes into the new hour. So again, this 15-minute could end up being a reversal pin hammer on the 15-minute chart, or we will see this continue down for another 15 minutes into the beginning of the new hour outside of our 12 candle window. Let's wait and see. So we can see here we're either going to get stopped out, or they are just shaking out traders who are lower level shorts. Again, they've got longs in the market right down low, and they may be trapping some longs or shaking out lower level shorts before they reverse this market, or they will continue lower and they want shorts to cover themselves so they don't take more profits. So here we go. Let's see what happens. We're just getting within a few minutes of the close of this 15-minute candle. And we're either going to be taking out at 49 for a 36 pip profit, or this market will continue down through the low. We got 20 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. We'll see what they do in this last 10 seconds. Always interesting to watch what they do. We may have the lower high locked in, so we'll just watch and see. So as we can see, still 25 seconds left. They could certainly reverse this market and still go up. But if it does break the low, we'll tighten that stop up down above that lower swing high that's forming right as we speak. Just again, as we get closer to the target, I will trap as much as I can as it approaches the 50 pip area. Now, so this, if it breaks the low, we'll tighten that right up. We are getting down now, timing wise, to where this trade should have already obviously completed, but it's still moving in the right direction. And we'll give this just till the close of this minute, which will put us right near the end of the 15-minute cycle. And this market could move down fast or just reverse, and we'll lock that. Will give us a nice 40 pips. So we've been taken out with our 40 pip profit target. That's it, traders. Trade's over. No stress trade. We just had to manage it and be patient and let that trade play out to its fruition. Keep it simple. Stick to your best setups. Manage them. Lock in profits and get off the screen. Have a great day, traders.